Man, we're here. We're here. The ride up was so beautiful. Shelly might have slept for most of it. Look at this snow.
It's so pretty.
It's dumping right now. Oh man, it feels like home, dude. I freaking love coming here.
This is for entering the locker room, and you have to open the locker. You can use this, and this is breakfast ticket. Oh, thanks. Yes, you can eat over there. Here.
Thank you.
Do you have any questions? No, these are good.
So see you, chica. Thank you. Yes, please. All done with breakfast, and now we have to make the trek across the street to the left. So, plan, we're gonna get to the top, whoop, and then we're gonna try that, and then we're gonna get on this one, bah, and then we're gonna whoop to the top, and then shoot, 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 the whole way down.
What he said?
Shout, hooray, hooray, we got it all that way. Morning commuters, this is Kai reporting from Shopper 1 with your morning traffic update. Down at the lower half of the mountain, there are a lot of crowds, but if you thought you'd escape them by going up to the top, they're waiting for you up there as well. Not to worry, we've got plenty of jams to go along with that powder as you get ready to shred it up. HOV lane. There's still a bit more to this hike. It ends up over here, but it's already looking kind of tracked out. This looks like the freshest option. I hate this because I feel like a quitter if I don't go up there. But what's the point going up there if the fresh tracks are here? Yeah. Good work, little lemur.